Every layer holds its shape, revealing the care built into each stage of the process.
The seed cavity is emptied carefully, leaving only clean, fragrant flesh behind.
Uniform cubes create a steady feed and a more consistent texture in the final blend.
A cool coconut layer brings richness and contrast to the bright fruit below.
The first spoonful passes through cream and fruit in one smooth, satisfying motion.
Before dessert reaches the spoon, everything begins here in the quiet morning orchard.
Only fruit at the perfect stage of sweetness is chosen for the line.
Each papaya is removed gently to protect the flesh beneath its delicate skin.
Handling stays soft from the very first second, preserving the clean texture inside.
Spacing and airflow matter, even before the fruit reaches the factory floor.
Quality control starts in the orchard, where sweetness and appearance are confirmed before transport.
The freshly harvested fruit now begins its controlled journey out of the orchard. Before the road begins, the fruit is stabilized in shade to hold freshness and firmness. Cold water quickly pulls away field heat, protecting flavor before processing begins. Temperature control is locked in before the fruit ever reaches stainless steel. From field to plant, the fruit moves fast to keep its fragrance bright and natural.
At the receiving dock, every pallet is identified, traced, and prepared for inspection.
Traceability follows every crate, linking the finished dessert back to the exact orchard batch.
Internal color, aroma, and seed maturity confirm that the batch is ready for processing. The fruit enters the line in a controlled flow, spaced for gentle handling and full cleaning coverage.
High-velocity air clears loose debris before the water line takes over. In the flume washer, water lifts and rotates the fruit without bruising it. Soft rotary brushes scrub the surface clean while preserving the fruit's tender outer layer. The rinse removes loosened residue and leaves the surface ready for sanitation. A measured sanitizing step lowers surface microbes before the fruit is opened.
Dry skin allows the next system to detect blemishes with precision.
Machine vision grades each papaya for size, color, and surface integrity in seconds.
Human hands refine what cameras detect, preserving as much beautiful fruit as possible.
Balanced batching keeps flavor and texture consistent from tank to tank.
Once opened, the fruit reveals the dense color and ripe flesh that will define the dessert.
The seed cavity is emptied carefully, leaving only clean, fragrant flesh behind.
With the peel removed, the fruit shows its full color, softness, and natural sheen.
Only clean, even flesh moves forward into the dessert base. The trimmed fruit is cut into uniform pieces for smooth, even processing.
Uniform cubes create a steady feed and a more consistent texture in the final blend.
One last visual check protects the purity of the batch before it becomes puree. The fruit now changes form, from cut pieces into a smooth, aromatic pulp. Refining polishes the texture,
leaving the puree silkier and more elegant.
The puree is buffered here, so the next ingredients can join at exactly the right ratio.
A simple syrup is made separately to sweeten the fruit without introducing grit.
The coconut layer is prepared with the same precision as the fruit itself.
Precise microdosing gives the dessert its spoonable body and smooth finish.
Here, fruit, sweetness, and structure come together as one unified base. High shear mixing perfects the body, turning fruit pulp into a dessert-smooth emulsion.
Removing air leaves the dessert smoother, brighter, and more stable.
The base is now pasteurized, preserving freshness while making it safe for chilled storage.
Homogenization gives the dessert a velvety, even texture from first spoonful to last.
Every second of heat exposure is controlled to protect both safety and flavor.
Rapid cooling locks in aroma and keeps the fruit tasting fresh rather than cooked.
Held in a protected system, the dessert base is now ready to become individual cups.
Every empty cup is positioned with exact spacing before it meets the fruit. The packaging is sanitized moments before filling to keep the chilled dessert pristine. The heart of the dessert is portioned with remarkable precision, cup after cup.
A cool coconut layer brings richness and contrast to the bright fruit below.
Fresh papaya pieces on top give the dessert a final burst of color and bite.
The dessert is locked under foil to protect aroma, freshness, and texture. Cooling sets the seal and prepares every cup for quality verification.
Automated inspection confirms that each cup looks as flawless as it tastes. Sweetness and acidity are measured to keep every batch balanced and consistent. Weight control ensures that every cup delivers the same generous portion.
One last safety screen completes the protection of the finished dessert. Rapid chilling stabilizes the texture and brings the dessert to its ideal cold finish.
In cold storage, the texture settles fully before the packs are boxed. The individual cups are grouped into retail packs with clean, robotic precision. Every box is sealed, dated, and coded for full traceability.
Small retail packs are consolidated into transport cases for cold chain distribution.
The finished dessert takes its final factory shape as cases become a shipment-ready pallet.
Wrapped and stabilized, the dessert waits in cold storage for distribution. The chilled desserts leave the factory under refrigeration, protected all the way to the store.
After the factory, the final destination is the chilled display, where customers first see the product. Now the layers are visible exactly as intended, bright, cold, and impossible to ignore.
After a long controlled journey, the dessert is finally chosen.
Still cold and perfectly sealed, it leaves the factory system exactly as intended.
In the cold, the layers settle into their final smooth and spoonable form.
The seal opens with a clean whisper, revealing the chilled, tropical layers beneath.
The first spoonful passes through cream and fruit in one smooth, satisfying motion.
Every layer holds its shape, revealing the care built into each stage of the process. Cold coconut richness and ripe papaya sweetness come together in a single calm bite. From orchard to cup, every controlled step ends here in a spoonful of chilled tropical balance.
What began as fruit in morning light becomes a quiet, perfectly chilled dessert.